What's up, y'all? My name is Devin, the DIY lawn coach. Hope you're having a great day today. So guys, today is the greatest day of the month. And I say that because we're gonna be throwing down some fertilizer. So I've got some granular fertilizer and I wanna bring you guys along with me. I'm gonna show you guys kind of what I think about whenever I'm getting ready to apply. And so here in North Carolina, things heat up rather quickly. So this will probably be the last time I'm able to throw down a heavy dose of nitrogen. So again, I'm going to bring you guys along with me. If you want to, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can follow me for more, and then turn on that bell icon so you don't miss any of my new videos. So with that being said, let's get into the video. All right, y'all. So I've got some Stay Green starter fertilizer. I picked this up at Lowe's Hardware. I think it was about $56 a bag. So fertilizer prices are just crazy right now. But I made a video earlier kind of going into detail about how you calculate your pounds, you know, how many pounds of nitrogen are in this bag and kind of what the three numbers mean. So make sure you check out that video. But so I have a 20,000 square foot lawn. My goal today is to get down 1 pound of nitrogen per 1,000 square feet. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to take 0.18 and I'm going to divide that by 1 to equal 1 pound of nitrogen. So that equals 5.5 to be exact. And so 20,000 square feet, 20 1,000 square foot sections times 5.5 or 5 is 100 pounds. So I've got 86 pounds of fertilizer. So I'm going to be really close enough for government work. So we're going to throw this in our earthway spreader. And I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about spreader settings and kind of my thoughts on that. So, all right. So this bag says it covers 12,000 square feet. So that is just the bag rate. We're not going to worry about that because we already did our calculations. I'm going to flip this bag over and come down here to where it says spreader settings. And of course, Stay Green. There's some Scott's, Edge Guards, Lawn Pros. Scott's probably the most popular spreader, so they're always on the bag. This one just so happens to have my earthway spreader, and it says a 14. So we'll set the spreader to a 14. And then maybe, you know, we'll make a note as we are spreading it. If, you know, we feel like it's not coming out fast enough, we can open it up. Or if we feel like it's coming out too slow, well, you know, we open it up or close it, vice versa. So 14 is just kind of a ballpark. It'll kind of put us in the ballpark. Do my front with one bag, and then we'll do the backyard with another bag. One quick tip, make sure your spreader is closed. And you want to do this on pavement so that if you accidentally aren't sure that your hopper's closed, you don't get it on your grass. Because if you spill this on your grass is going to die. So let me bring you guys in and show you what this looks like. So kind of see it. Granules. So every fertilizer is a different size granule. So, you know, depending on how, you know, what size the prill is, depends on how fast it comes out of that opening. All right. So we're going to come over here to my spreader. So this is what it looks like. We're going to turn this to 12 and set it to, well, we said 14. We're going to set it to 14. There we go. And then we just move this lever back and forth and open it. And so whenever we're spreading, I always do a trim pass, and I'll go around the whole perimeter of the yard first. And then from there, I'll go back and forth up and down the lawn. And what you can see is the lawn stripes. Those are what I use to guide. So my fertilizer will throw to the edge of this stripe, and it will throw to the edge of that stripe. And so when I'm coming back the other way, I'll come down this dark stripe and it'll throw overlap and throw basically back to the tire tracks of my previous pass. So that's kind of what we're looking for when we're spreading, so that we get a nice even coverage of fertilizer. Got done doing the front, and we've got a little bit of product still left in the hopper here. So So what are we gonna do? We're gonna do the old DIY dance with our spreader. I'm gonna show you guys that out here on the dance floor. Show you guys a trick. If you want to dominate your neighbors, make an extra pass right down where the 2 yards meet. It really accentuates the dark line. Don't tell anybody. That's how you dominate your neighbor. Okay guys, thank you so much for sticking around to the end of the video. That just about wraps it up. So just some advice. Make sure you always start off on pavement. Make sure your hopper is closed. Okay, when you start your run, make sure you're moving before you open up the hopper. And then when you get to the end of that run, just make sure you shut it off, make your turn, start walking, and then open up your hopper. And it's really that simple. And then last thing we want to do for this application is run the irrigation. You know, want to get that fertilizer dissolved and get it going, get it in the soil where it belongs. So we're going to run for about 35 minutes, about a ½ inch of water, rinse out the spreader and call it a day. You guys take care. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hit that subscribe button if you will. Follow me for more. If you got a comment, please leave that down in the bottom. I'll chat with you down there. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the lawn.